Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorial Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about basic writing test cases using TestNG. How to write a basic test case without using a main method. See, basically when we are going to create any class, while going to create a class, if we are choosing this one class and we are going to take a public static void main, right? And we can able to write here itself public static void main args, and we can able to run like if you want to create a public void add int a comma, you can able to choose here so out printing message add method. Okay, now I can able to create one more method sub method. Okay, and I'm going to sub method. Okay, now if I want to run these two methods, I have to call here to create the class object, then I need to run. Correct. Basic object, go to new class, and I'm going to create object dot add and object dot sub, and if I'm going to run these two methods in this console method, it will display these two methods are working. Correct. Now sub add and sub. Now if I want to run without using this main method means we can able to use TestNG or JUnit. If we are going to JUnit, now there are so many annotations are presented. That is annotations like before suit, after suit, before test, after test, before groups, after groups, before class, after class, before method, after method. These all the methods are presented, and also each method have some parameterization like parameters we can able to pass. Always we need to run and depends on a group, enabling group, inheritance group, and also we can able to pass the data provider, and also we can able to use some listeners and parameters. And meanwhile there is a method is at the rate test. This is the method we can able to run without using a main also. Rate test, this is basically test engine. This test engine like makes the method as a part of test casing. We can able to run the class using like class or method or anything we can able to use at the rate test. This one it will take this many parameters. We can able to pass always that particular method need to run, and data provider and data provider class depends on a group, and description we can able to pass into that particular method, whether that accepting like a value or not. Those cases we can able to see, and parameterization we can able to see, and success percentage we can able to pass, timeout, single thread, these all the things we can able to pass in this at the rate test. How we can able to use without this main method, commenting here now. Now I'm going to create here at the rate test. If you mouse over in this particular place, we can able to get there is an annotation or org.testng annotations. You can able to pull that one, then we can able to copy same for down also. Okay, and this way we can able to, and here see run all, run a debug test debug. We can able to run a single particular one or run all the methods which are present in the test class. If you run here, see it will run and it will provide the test engine report also. It is running now. One test case pass means we run only one particular method add, and you can able to see in the test ng place we can able to add one, it is pass. Correct. The same way I'm going to run all. Now if I'm running all methods, it will run what all the methods are presented inside this particular class, and we can able to see there are sub and add methods are passed, correct? And we can able to see TestNG result also here. Okay, and in this TestNG, what will happen in case if you are using the same method? Okay, but if you want to run this sub method is first, second is add method. How we can able to? Because by default TestNG it will synchronous mode, like synchronous order, like A to B, A to Z, like parallel order. It will take values A, B, C, D like this. The method which is the letter it is started, based upon the method it will execute. Okay, but if you want to declare sub method want to end execute first, then there is a method here is priority. This priority, the test method lower to uppercase and schedule first. We can able to see here the rate priority equal to 1 or 2, and the same thing if I'm going to mention here inside 1. Okay, now I'm going to run this method, this entire class using TestNG here. And previous I run here, run all, right? Now I'm going to do here, right click, and there you need to do. And if you see order also it will change. First sub method, second is add method. And also we can able to provide some description. There is a description method, and this method is accepting the description of the particular method. What is the description? Adding two values, and same thing I'm going to copy here and I'm going to paste it here, and sub two method, two values. Okay, now if you are running this one, and it will gives the description also for that particular method after passing. Now if I'm going to down top, after execution the method is passed, then adding two values. And also you can able to see here passed subtotal, means after executing this method, this description value it is coming after that. This way we can able to create our uh, normal, without using main method we can able to run our test case using at the rate test. Okay, and also there are so many options. Data providers are always run, inconcatenation, time count, a single thread. This all the things are there. We are going to discussing in depth for next videos. This is a basic how we can able to run without main using TestNG. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.